Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can fix FPS drops in Valorant. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the game application and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After updating it, you will be redirected to this menu page. Now click on settings and start by changing the graphics settings. The main cause of getting low FPS in Valorant is majorly due to wrong video and game settings. Here, change the graphics settings to either low or medium depending upon your CPU. Turn vignette and VSync off. Set anti-aliasing and anisotropic filtering to 4x and turn off all of the remaining settings like bloom, distortion, or shadows. Now try playing the game and see if the problem is resolved. But if the problem still remains, come back to the settings menu, and this time we will change general game settings. Now make sure that the display mode is set to full screen and follow me. Turn off limit FPS on battery and the overall FPS limit. Other than that, set max FPS to anything between 30 to 60 and make sure that limit background FPS is checked and are capped at 30. Now change the NVIDIA latency to on plus boost. If the problem still persists, close the game and access settings. Inside settings, go to graphics settings. Then inside advanced settings, make sure that the GPU acceleration is turned on. If it is already turned on, then turn it off and change the game settings to high performance mode. Now restart your PC to make the changes take effect. That's how you can fix FPS drops in Valorant. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.